Hi friends, my name is Emily. I'm an educator here at COSI. And today I have a really cool science experiment you can try at home. And you actually don't need any materials, you just need yourselves. So, we have our 5 senses. Our brain controls those 5 senses. We have the sense of taste, touch, seeing, hearing, and smell. But scientists actually say that we have a 6th sense, and it's called proprioception. Now, what I want you guys to do, I want you to take one of your arms, and I want you to hold it all the way out so you can't see it. Now, we can't see our arm. We can't smell our arm. We can't taste it, touch it, hear it, but we know exactly where our arm is. And that's what proprioception is. It's knowing where your body parts are without using any of those other senses. So, let's try a little experiment. I want you to put both of your arms in the air like you're going down the first drop on a roller coaster, okay? And I want you to take the hand you write with. So for me, it's my right hand, maybe it's your left hand. I want you to take that, I want you to take your pointer finger, and I want you to touch it right to your nose. Now, without looking, I want you to take that pointer finger, and I want you to touch your thumb. All right, using that proprioception. So we're not seeing our arm, we're not using any of those senses, but we can still tell where our thumb is. All right, take that pointer finger, touch it to your nose, and then touch your other pointer finger. Very good. All right, touch your nose again, and then lift it up and touch that middle finger, and touch the nose again, and touch your 4th finger, and finally, last one, touch your nose and touch your pinky finger. Very good. Maybe it was a little bit difficult, but odds were you could probably find those fingers without using any of those other senses, and that is what we call proprioception.